transformational guide, and a mindful interior designer of her own business, Healing Through the Home. Thanks, my dear.
Yeah, I am a transformational guide who, does sound healing and works with crystals and earth medicine. I'm an indigenous woman from the Caribbean, manifested in Brooklyn, and have been residing in Astoria for almost 20 years now. So I'm so in love with this, just the Queen's energy. It's really beautiful. I really specialize in home healing. And what is home healing, right? Home healing is the awareness that our home is a reflection of us, and it both reflects and affects us. So it's very interesting, and I've been an explorer, studying this space in real time with my clients for over 10 years now, and probably like lifetimes, right? But the home is such a special place. And I guess today, one of the things that I would love to share is just a few very quick tips for you to heal your home right now during this quarantine. And we'll do a little meditation even to connect us with our home, okay? So one of the things right now, if you want to heal your home, we've been in our spaces and they could either be making us feel like, oh, I'm flourishing here at home, or they can be maybe irritating ourselves, our spirits in some way. So as you're sitting in your home space, right, or you're thinking of your home, if you're not there right now, just think to yourself, when was the last time you really deep cleaned? There's something really powerful about using water and even the wind, opening up windows as springtime comes, allowing the sunshine to come in, using that yang energy of the sun to purify your bed. If you've had anyone that's been sick in the home, putting their pillows in the sunshine is really powerful. And just, to keep that wellness in the space. And as you're mopping, cleaning, wiping things down, mindfully using the water, there is magic. Water is magic on earth, and being able to utilize that water in a really powerful way. So when you fill your mop bucket up, just kind of connecting with that water, asking of that water what it is that you need, right, at this time, and just intentionally cleaning your space. The other thing is, don't be afraid to move your home around in a way that works for you at this time. Move furniture. If you have someone, sick or an elderly person in your space, or you just want to, readjust for perhaps what you want to experience at that time, don't be afraid to do that. Mix it up. It's your space. And sometimes we keep our spaces so, when other people come over or whatever, it's like, no, this is your cocoon. This is your space. And how do you want to transform at this time? And I would say the last tip is, if you want to heal your home, is to connect to your home. And so let's kind of practice that now. We'll do like a really quick 2-minute zoning into our home space. So wherever you are, just kind of move your body any way that feels good. Shake out some of that energy. We just absorbed a lot, right? Listening to others. So in order to tune in, we kind of have to let it all go and bring ourselves back to ourselves. Beautiful. I suggest and invite that you close your eyes at this time and just feel your body in your space. Maybe you need to take a little sigh of relief. And just drop into your environment. And kind of with your mind's eye, just start to travel throughout your space. Really just sending your spirit, your energy out into your home environments. And just kind of observe what's going on, what's been going on. Kind of trail the walls. And just come into a state of gratitude for your home. How blessed are we that we have a space that, no matter how it may look, how cluttered or how in tune it may be, this space protects us and contains us and all of the things that are important to us. And just coming into gratitude for the food in the fridge, coming into gratitude for the water that is available to us. We are not suffering in that way. Coming into gratitude for where we sleep and where we rest. even coming into gratitude if you're dealing with clutter, even for your clutter. Because in your clutter, there are so many treasures and so many opportunities to let go. And just feeling that joy, that peace. And if your home doesn't always feel safe, let's just send love to those spaces in your home that feel a little uncomfortable or a lot uncomfortable. And now let's listen to the little voice inside of us and let's ask ourselves, what places can I heal right away? When I'm done on this call, where can I go and pour some love? Take a few breaths there, just breathing in through the nose and breathing out of the mouth. And kind of letting go whatever is cycling through our body at this time. Don't be afraid of your own voice through your breath. Don't be afraid of your presence that comes in when you decide to take a deep breath and let it go. Let's bring our hands to our heart and just send yourself some love at this time. Again, don't be afraid to take those breaths as you feel whatever it is that you're feeling. And let's just end this moment by using our own hands to just wash away any extra static or anything we're feeling as we look around our space and come into gratitude for wherever we are. Thank you, house. Thank you, house. Thank you, house. Thank you, self. Thank you to everyone who's here. If you want to connect with me and have a one-on-one session, I'm working with so many people. You can find me at my online home. It's my name, RebeccaGitana.com. Rebecca, 2 C's, Gitana with a G. And and maybe I'll see you in session. Maybe I'll see you there. Sending love to everybody. Thank you again for having me. Yes.
Oh my God, bless my sis. Thank you. I love your joy and your presence and your spaciousness. That's what I think, like, I just feel it through the screen. Just thank you for bringing the totality of what you do in such a small moment, because it reminds us what is possible in these small moments, what is possible in the small choices that we make every day for caring for ourselves and caring for our place that all of us, are in right now, more than ever.
Absolutely. It's such a powerful time to connect and to align our home with our desires, not aligning it with, again, like the needs of others or expectations of what a home should look like. It's okay to have a really unconventional home. Like, the couple before talking about how their kitchen is their studio. Like, it's okay. And that's how we flourish the most, when we make those alignments happen. And, and clear clutter. If you need help with that, I'm here also for that, because clutter is such a personal thing. There's a lot of shame hidden in our clutter. There's a lot of tension hidden in our clutter. And there's also a lot of treasures and opportunities to release and align. So it's exciting. It's exciting. Thank you again.
Thank you. And thank you for the invitation to shift our perspective. That is the big invitation that this entire pandemic and pause moment is inviting us to. So thank you for embodying that, my sis. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.